Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. So for today's video, we're going to be doing an easy braided hairstyle using this Supreme braid in the shade 1. So as you all just saw, the products I'm going to be using are my Cream of Nature, my Eco Styler, also my Edge Control, and my hair is washed. I blow dried it lightly because for the style I want my hair to be, lightly stretched out. So for this, I'm going to be applying some hair oil to my scalp and also some hair oil to the rubber bands, because for this section of my hair I'm going to be using the rubber bands and I don't want the rubber bands to be pulling on my hair, so I'm going to be applying some oil to that so it can be not too harsh on my hair when I do the rubber band method. I start by putting some Eco Styler on the front of my hair, making sure everything is nice and smooth when I apply the rubber band. So this is the braid. It's pretty long. I can't remember how much inches it is. I'm going to show you all how long it is, as you all can see. So I have to cut the hair into 2 equal parts. Also, I'm going to be pulling on the ends because the ends are pretty blunt after you cut it. So I'm going to be pulling the ends a little bit so I can get that seal at the end when I plait my braid. Also, I already did the first 3 of my plaits, so I'm going to be doing the last one to show you guys how I did that. I just took a little piece of hair from the braid that I just showed you all, and I'm going to be attaching that onto the front of my hair to get the length, also to get the braid that I want when I put my hair up in the style. So for the back of my hair, I'm going to be using my wide tooth comb. I'm going to be combing my hair up as high as possible. Also, I'm going to be using my Eco Styler and apply that around my hair to get my hair as nice and smooth, because the braid is kind of smooth and kind of silky, so I want my hair to be natural. I want my hair to have this natural finish when I plait my hair into the braid. So for the braid part of my hair, I'm not going to be using a rubber band that came with the braid. I took out the rubber band. I'm going to be using a hair tie instead, because I want the braid and my hair to be attached on very tightly. So as you all can see, I'm just going to attach the hair tie to my hair, and I'm going to be separating the braid and my hair into 3 equal parts. I'm going to be using some Eco Styler and to put on my natural hair as I plait the braid and my hair together. I'm going to be using the Eco Styler because I want everything to look natural, natural and neat when I'm done plaiting the braid. I added some hair jewels to finish the look. I think it came out pretty nicely. What you guys think, let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you want to see more natural hair tutorials from me. Also, the makeup for this look that I did is going to be coming out pretty soon, so look out for that one also. And don't forget to subscribe again, and I'll see you all in another one of my videos. Have a blessed and safe week, you guys. Bye, my loves.